Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing a recipe for cheesy chicken cutlets. You can serve them as it is with a dip on the side, serve it as an appetizer, or make sandwich out of them. They're perfect for school lunches or of course for iftar. So let's go and make it happen. So first for this recipe, we need some boneless chicken which is cut into half to quarter inch cubes. Then I'm adding some shredded mozzarella cheese and adding eggs. I'm adding some all-purpose flour, mayonnaise, and chopped parsley. Then I'm seasoning it with some salt and black pepper. I'm adding mayonnaise in there. This will act as a binding agent and it will create that moisture in our cutlets. Mix everything well with the chicken and cover and let it marinate for at least 2 to 4 hours. For frying, just heat some frying pan and add a little bit of oil. With the help of scoop or a spoon, just transfer this batter and flatten the top with the back of your spoon. Make sure the chicken isn't single layer. Then make the cutlets the same way and cook one side of the cutlet for at least 3 to 5 minutes until it's get that nice golden color. Flip and then cook the other part for 3 to 5 minutes as well. And here is your cheesy chicken cutlets ready to serve. Fried cheese and flour will create that crispy outer, but then melted cheese and moisture from mayonnaise and chicken will create the delicious inside. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you with the hashtag Ramadan with morEwish. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Please remember me and my family in your prayers. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.